Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 Chevelle partial and complete quarter panels and 1969 Chevelle complete quarter panels by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. The partial quarter panels measure 75 inches long by 25 inches tall and can be used on both coupe and convertible models. If a full replacement is needed, we offer complete quarter panels for coupes, and they include the door jamb, sail panel, and rear corners. All of our panels are stamped from 20 gauge steel using factory specifications for that perfect fit. At the end of the production line, we finish every panel with electro deposit primer, also known as the EDP coating. EDP coatings protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your quarter panel without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.